I'm honored to announce that this video is sponsored by Australian Avocado. Now, most of you may be familiar with HASS avocado as it is the most common Australian avocado variety. Okay, now it is available for most of the year from May to January. It has a classic oval shape with distinctively pebbly texture skin. Now, its color changes as it ripens from green to purple-black. It also becomes soft as it ripens, and it has a creamy texture and taste. Now, HASS avocado can be used in various ways. One, you can slice and dice it when it's firm ripe. Two, you can mash, you can blend, and you can bake it when it's soft ripe. Now, how do we determine the ripeness for HASS avocado? Well, color may be an indicator, but firmness plays a more important role. Gently press around the neck of the avocado, which is the stem end at firm ripe or soft ripe stage. Now, it is best to consume avocado when there is a slight give. Overripe avocado becomes too soft and is actually not suitable for consuming. Then let's look at what are the health benefits of avocado. They actually are a source of many key nutrients, and here are some of the main health benefits. 1. Heart health. Now, most of the fat is oleic acid, which has been found to reduce inflammation. Oleic acid is also the main component of olive oil, which is actually really great. Now, the next one is gut health. The high fiber content of avocados improves gut health by supporting digestion, increases healthy gut bacteria, and reduces inflammation. So the next one is weight management. Now, avocado contain a lot of fiber and actually very little sugar. Hence, it is actually low in glycemic index. So digestion and absorption are more slower, thereby slowing down hunger. And the next one is brain health. Now, avocado contain various nutrients that support brain health. Folate, a B vitamin, is among the many nutrients. Hence, it is also good for babies and pregnant mothers. Now, with all these health benefits of avocados, we should really start to build it into our daily diet. Typically, HASS avocados have been enjoyed with toast, salads, dips, smoothies, desserts, and baked goods as well. But today, I'm excited to show you a healthy and delicious way to easily incorporate HASS avocados into our daily meals with a low-carb crispy garlic chili in 3 ways. Now let's take a look. Chili powder, dried chili flakes, monk fruit or any keto-friendly sweetener, salt. Now mix to combine. Sesame oil, Tamari or soya sauce. Now comes the hot oil. Look at that sizzle. Give it a good stir. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Now we add all the crunchy stuff. Toasted sesame seeds, fried garlic, fried shallots, and roasted peanuts, but this is optional. Give it a good mix. Now you can store them in airtight jars. And it's ready to be used in 3 ways here. Diced HASS avocados, crispy garlic chili, salt, and mix to combine. Spoon over some konjac or shirataki rice. Healthy and delicious. Diced HASS avocado, Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, mash and mix until creamy. Spread on the wrap or tortilla. Some roasted walnuts for crunch. Slice HASS avocado. Crispy garlic chili. Wrap it and cut into half. Look at that. Healthy and delicious. Dice HASS avocado, salt, pepper, mash until creamy. Spread on the bread. Set aside while we make the filling. Dice HASS avocado. Hard-boiled egg cut into small pieces. Salt. Black pepper. Crispy garlic chili. Mash and mix well. Finally, spoon it over the bread with avocado spread. Healthy and delicious.